this is the unboxing of the Hitachi 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw that we got at Menards and was $109.99. Now we're going to get into the unboxing. Right off the bat, we have some plastic and some cardboard. So here's some pieces. I'm going to put these right here. Now it's time for the saw to come out. Here's the saw. It's a pretty nice saw. So now let's get ready to put it together. Okay, let's see what kind of parts we got. So first we got our dust collection bag. This. These. And this bag. And the instructions and some screws. Now it's time to put the Hitachi miter saw together. First, I'm going to show you how to move this side to side, up and down. First, right back here, there's going to be a little lever sort of thing. You're going to pull that way. That makes it so it's loose. See now, if I come over here, first you're going to have to go like this, with this little thing over here. And that's how you do it. And then side to side, and then you pull that thing out and go up and down. So right back here, here's these two little holes, one there, one there. You're gonna need to take the small one, and you're gonna have to put it right in here. You might have to pick it up a little bit and put it in like that. And then you're gonna take this that little nut, and then you're gonna put it right here. Right here. Okay, now we're gonna put the dust collection bag on. All you have to do, you see these two things right there? You just have to pinch them together. Go right here where the dust will come out. Put it on. All set. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this big one, and we're gonna go put it right over here. This thing can go up and down like that for the boards, so it's easier for them to go across. You put it right there, and then you take this knot and tighten it. You might want to use a screwdriver for this part. All good. This goes like back like that. Now it's time to go over here. The last but not least, this part. It's time to put this on. It's so that the board, you can make the board stay right there so it doesn't like slip. So that thing is right here, and then you take the last piece right there, and you go right back here. There's a little hole right there, and then you screw it in. And that's how you set up a miter saw. Now I'm going to show you how to cut. Firstly, I'll show you how to use this. Secondly, I'll show you how to set a 0-degree angle. And thirdly, I'll show you how to set a 45-degree angle. So to set this down, all you have to do is twist. Pretty simple. To set it to a 45-degree angle, all you have to do is pull this lever and set it to your 45-degree angle. Now to cut, all you do is pull the trigger and let it go. So that's our 45-degree cut. Now to set your 0-degree cut, you have to loosen this a little bit. Set the board to where you want to cut and tighten this down. Then you loosen this lever and you set it to your 0-degree angle. Don't forget to tighten it back up. Make sure your fingers are always away from the blade at all times so you don't get your fingers chopped off. That's a helpful skill to learn. And that's our 0-degree angle. Now, I'm going to show you how to set it to a 45-degree angle this way and set it back to 0-degree angle. All you have to do is push down on this trigger and set it to a 45-degree angle either way you want. So I'm going to set it this side. See, there's a little gauge right here to show you 45-degree angle, 50, 30, 22.5, 15, and 0, and all the way back up. And now, again, we're going to have to loosen this and tighten this back up. You can also set it to a curve cut while you're doing an angle cut. So all you do is twist this and set it back. There's not much clamper space over here, but it'll be fine. Now you cut. And that's how you use your miter saw. Now we're going to tell you what we think about this dust collection bag. So far, right off the bat, you can see there's tons of dust on the work table and on the saw. So far I'm not really fond of this dust collection bag. And let's see what's in the bag. See, there's a little zipper right here, so you can just take out the dust. And let's see how much dust there is. That's all the dust in the Hitachi miter saw dust collection bag. So to put it back on, there's this lever type thing, and you squeeze that and put it on the dust collection port. You could also hook up a shop vac to this, but we didn't have time in this video. We give this miter saw a 5 out of 5 since it has easy to adjust angles and a very good dust collection bag. I also give this miter saw a 5 out of 5 because it's really smooth and it's very cheap, only $109 at Menards, and it is very easy to transport because of this transport handle. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. We post mostly every week, and until next time, we're the Woodworking Brothers. Peace. Centimeters under. Yeah, right where it was. Good. Put up a little more. Right there. Sheesh. Then we should put one right down in there. Just like that. Maybe one more. You're just gonna put one right here? Yep. Okay, let me do this part. Okay, screw it in just a little bit. Just a little bit, not fast. Ooh, savage. Savage. Slow. Okay, keep it going. Stop. Perfect.